Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 1766 Hayden Lane in Pickering. We've got a Mattamy built, it's detached, double car garage home, 2,300 square feet, massive kitchen with a massive kitchen island, second floor family room. Why don't you guys go in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, now that you've seen the property, I'd love to get your feedback on it. What do you guys think about this property? Leave me a comment, like our post. If you guys would like to see the property, I'd love to show it to you. My contact information is going to be on the screen. I need you guys to remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.